Hey guys, so welcome back to another episode of us in Tromsø, and finally you can see that mad view outside with the small amount of sunlight that we get here. We get about 3-4 hours of sunlight, which is quite depressing, but when the sun is up in this kind of twilight mood, it is pretty epic. So today we are going all the way up to the top of that mountain and seeing how crazy the actual view is. Hopefully we manage to get up there whilst the sun is still around. So guys, don't forget to thumbs up, comment and subscribe, click the join now button, and I hope you enjoy this episode. So everyone thinks London's expensive, but in this place it's like £25 for a 2-minute taxi drive. And then you've got these reindeer burgers and all the rest of it. They're like £22.50 for a burger, and they are nothing special. Ridiculous. But on the plus side, the fireplace is really good. And the view. So we made it to the top of the cable cart mountain over Tromsø, which was only 3.5 minutes all the way to the top. But the views are literally insane, and it's almost like we've got like this kind of sunset that we're seeing over here. But when you look over and you come closer, I mean, the views it's literally insane. So you're literally seeing across all of the islands of Tromsø and all the smaller islands off of Tromsø. And I've got like a bit of vertigo. Going close to the edge is like an issue for me, but we can try it, I'm sure. Suck that edge and with it. The worst part is when you just look down. I'm sure the floor wobbled. These kids have got no fear running around like nobody's business. Whereas I'm just like, heaviest feet ever. Yeah, the views are like literally insane. So health and safety is just not there with the fencing. Some of the fencing's taken out from where the snow's gone through it, and the snow looks really quite hard and pressed. And then you walk on it and it starts cracking, so it's not exactly the best sign. But yeah, I mean, what an insane view! What an insane view all the way around. Literally mega. So tick. On to the next one, guys. I'm feeding reindeers. Look at that. Look, he's like, yeah. He's like, oh gay. Mate, that horse needs to stay away from my face. Whoa, this one's rattled.
Oh my god, wow.
Hiya, hiya boy. What? I don't think that's going to work. It just looks like he's going to jump on you. I just don't want him fighting with another one, do you? Nick, you got 2 big antlers. Oh. There you go, round 3. Oh, the 3 biggest antlers.
They are dangerous.